Hey everybody, it's Dr. Nelson. We get questions all the time about how we help with different conditions, and right now we're talking about how we help with mid-back pain. And there's a couple of things to consider here. Mid-back pain can cause everything from headaches, shoulder problems, can cause pain between the ribs, it can cause pain in the front of the chest as well. Some people will actually be concerned that they're having a heart attack. If you ever think you are, please go get that checked out first, then come see me so as soon as you're cleared, because there are a lot of problems with the ribs, with the mid-back, that can cause racing heart problems, can feed into a lot of anxiety, vertigo, pain down into the arms, and things that present similarly. Of course, we want to make sure we preserve life. So if you have any concerns about that, please go get your heart checked out first. As soon as you're cleared, come and see me. So let's take a look at this right here. I have a little bit of a diagram of a person. We're looking at the spine from behind. So we're going to pretend this is the right side over here. What you see over here is that there are these ribs that come off of the mid-back right here. The muscles between those can cause a lot of pain. And especially if it's up around the shoulder blade area, they can refer out and across the shoulder blade and down into the arm. In fact, there are trigger points, spot in the muscles that get so tight, so contracted, they cut off their own blood flow, that can refer pain and cause numbness down the entire arm, mimicking massive neck nerve damage. There we go. All right. So what we do for this is we want to make sure that the muscles move properly, that they're relaxed, that the joints can move freely, and that the nerves are calmed down. So what this breaks down to is we have, we have nerves that communicate between brain and body, and they need to be clear. Nerves communicate with muscles. They also communicate with organs. And then the muscles connect to joints, and those joints house the nerves. So get this, if the nerves are inflamed because the joints aren't moving correctly, then the nerves tighten the muscles and the tight muscles lock up the joints. Now this is a protective mechanism, and especially in the mid-back, it tends to be brutal. It'll just cinch down the whole mid-back and cause a lot of pain and tension, trouble taking a deep breath. And like I said, that by itself will feed into a lot of anxiety, low energy, trouble sleeping well, shoulder pains when you're waking up in the morning. Maybe your arm is like numb and tingly when you wake up in the morning. This used to happen to me before I got chiropractic care. I would wake up in the morning and my arm would be dead asleep, and I would roll over and I would thwack my wife by mistake with my dead arm. So don't do that. Get adjusted. So anyway, what we do is we provide adjustments to help with the joints. We teach people how to do myofascial therapy at home. We'll do some of it in the office, but we use lacrosse balls, hard rubber balls. If you're not familiar with the sport of lacrosse, it's the one with the sticks and the hard rubber balls, and they throw it across, and sometimes they thwack each other with the sticks. Turns out those lacrosse balls, you can lean back against them. And because they're rubber, they have a little bit of give, so they won't bruise you like a golf ball or a softball or a baseball. So we'll teach people how to release all sorts of muscle tension and trigger points at home. This empowers you to have less pain, less tension, and be able to have something you can do to partner with us to get you better faster and keep you better longer. Lastly, we provide the red light therapy over here. We'll just abbreviate that RL. This helps the nerves particularly. It helps to decrease pain. It helps to decrease inflammation, which is really what's making this healing between brain and body turn into a game of telephone. And then it helps to speed up healing by 2 times. So it's like getting a 2x multiplier there. Like if you're playing Mario Kart, all of a sudden you're going super fast. Could you heal without what we do? Yeah, I believe so. Can we help you get there faster? Almost definitely. If you're curious about it, schedule a consult and exam. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.